Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing the REDTIGER VP44 channel 360 degrees dash cam. I've researched this dash cam across the internet, compared it with other premium multi-channel dash cams, and today I'll help you decide whether it's worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. The REDTIGER VP40 is built for drivers who want maximum coverage and peace of mind. Unlike traditional front and rear dash cams, this model records from 4 adjustable cameras simultaneously, giving you a full 360-degree view around your vehicle. The front and rear cameras record in sharp 2.5K resolution, while the 2 side cameras capture full HD 1080p footage, making it an excellent option for personal vehicles, rideshare drivers, taxis, and anyone who wants complete evidence in case of an accident. One of the biggest highlights is its use of Dual Sony STARVIS 2 IMX675 image sensors. These premium sensors significantly improve low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image quality. Combined with HDR processing, the camera captures clearer license plates, road signs, and surrounding traffic during the day, at night, and even in challenging conditions like rain, tunnels, or bright headlights. Night recording is another major strength. The built-in infrared LEDs allow the interior and side cameras to capture clear footage even in complete darkness. This is especially useful for Uber, Lyft, or taxi drivers who need reliable cabin recording during late-night trips without distracting passengers. The 4 adjustable lenses offer impressive flexibility. You can position them to monitor the front, rear, cabin, side windows, or blind spots, depending on your needs. This makes the VP40 far more versatile than most dual-channel dash cams, providing nearly complete vehicle coverage from every angle. Connectivity is equally impressive. Built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi delivers much faster video transfers than standard 2.4 GHz systems, allowing you to quickly download, review, and share recordings through the REDTIGER smartphone app. The integrated GPS logs your driving route, speed, and location, adding valuable information that can be useful for insurance claims or legal situations. The touchscreen display makes navigating menus simple, while voice control allows you to save clips, take photos, or control recording without taking your hands off the wheel. These features improve convenience while helping you stay focused on driving. For added protection, the VP40 includes 24-hour parking mode with time-lapse recording and a built-in G sensor that automatically locks important footage when an impact is detected. Keep in mind that continuous parking surveillance requires an optional hardwire kit, and you'll also need to purchase a high-endurance microSD card separately since one isn't included. There are a few downsides worth mentioning. Installing 4 cameras takes more time than a standard front and rear setup, and cable management requires extra effort. The additional accessories, including the hardwire kit and memory card, increase the overall cost. Also, while the touchscreen is responsive, spending some time learning the menus will help you get the most from its advanced features. So should you buy it? If you're looking for one of the most complete dash cam systems available with 4 camera coverage, excellent day and night video quality, fast Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, voice control, and reliable parking protection, then yes, the REDTIGER VP40 is an excellent investment. It's particularly valuable for rideshare drivers, fleet vehicles, families, and anyone who wants comprehensive evidence in every driving situation. Overall, after researching the competition, I believe the REDTIGER VP40 delivers outstanding coverage, premium video quality, and advanced features that justify its position among today's best multi-channel dash cams. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the link below for the latest price. See you in the next one.